Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot is Samsung subwoofer not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow faulty power source. Ensure the subwoofer is plugged into a working power outlet. Test the outlet by connecting another device to confirm it works. Try a different outlet if necessary. Number 2. Damaged power cable. For this purpose, you have to ensure the power cable for visible damage such as frays, cuts or burns. If you have a compatible spare cable, try using it to test the subwoofer. Number 3. No standby indicator. Look for a standby light on the subwoofer which indicates it is receiving power. If no light is visible, proceed to check the outlet and power cable again. Number 4. Internal glitch. Unplug the subwoofer from the power outlet. Wait for 60 seconds to allow internal components to reset. Plug it back in and attempt to turn it on. Number 5. Unresponsive to ID set button. Locate the ID set button on the back of the subwoofer. Using a small pointed object, press and hold the button for 5 seconds. Check if the link light starts blinking. Number 6. Physical damage. Inspect the subwoofer for physical damage such as cracks, dents or loose components. Handle the subwoofer gently to avoid further damage. Number 7. Internal component failure. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it might indicate a failure of internal components like the power supply or motherboard. Contact Samsung Support. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.